Ever had a customer complain about their power steering only to find that replacing the pump didn't solve the issue? While we often take power steering for granted, these systems can be trickier to diagnose than you might think. Let's talk about how to properly diagnose and fix power steering problems that may be causing headaches in your shop. Most power steering pumps will give plenty of warning before they fail. However, there is one rare exception: when the pump input shaft breaks at the impeller assembly. In this case, there will be an immediate loss of steering assist and no fluid recirculation in the reservoir when the engine's running. While warm pumps usually provide good assistance when cold, they lose effectiveness as the power steering fluid warms up. Why? The cam ring often develops a rippled surface that lets fluid pressure leak past the vanes or rollers. When diagnosing power steering issues, always check the power steering fluid. If the fluid is dark black, your customer may have deteriorating seals in the steering rack or power steering hoses breaking down from the inside. While the engine's running, check the fluid and look for signs of foaming in the reservoir. This could indicate several issues, from failed O-rings to worn shaft seals. If you want to avoid comebacks, don't treat pump failure as an isolated component issue. After replacing a pump, it's recommended to check drive belt alignment and consider replacing hardened pressure and return hoses. If you find metallic debris in a reservoir, think about installing an aftermarket filter with a pressure bypass and magnetic particle trap on the reservoir return hose. Just remember to thoroughly flush the system afterward. If you're still seeing fluid after cycling the steering lock to lock a few times, you may have success using a vacuum pump to remove trapped air from the rack and hoses. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.